has issued a flash flood warning for Mount Holly County in central New Jersey, northwestern Ocean County in southern New Jersey, until 11 p.m. At 6:47 p.m., Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Expected rainfall rate is 1.5 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1.5 inches are possible in the warned area. Shortly, hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar and automated gauges. Impact, flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Tom's River, Lakewood, Jackson, Lakehurst, Cedar Glen West, Houston Center, Lambtown, and Applehurst. This includes the following highways: Interstate 195 in New Jersey between mile markers 30 and 33. Garden State Parkway between mile markers 92 and 96. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. The following is a flood statement. The flood advisory is canceled for southeastern Monmouth and north central Ocean counties. The threat for widespread flooding has increased over the area. Therefore, the flood advisory has been replaced by a flash flood warning for portions of the former advisory area. Until 7:15 p.m.
Another one.